Do you want to know how you can log into your HCM Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your HCM Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser. Go to the search bar to search for HCM Payroll login. Scroll a bit down and you can see this link over here. You can click on this link over here, or you can see the iSolved. Go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to this site of iSolved HCM. So you can see that it was known formerly as Payroll Control System, also known as HCM. If you scroll a bit down, you can see the Human Capital Management or the HCM system over here. You can click login, which is over here, and it will take you to this login portal. So you can see that it has led to you to the HCM Payroll portal. Now what you need to do is write down your username. So go ahead and write down your username in the first box and your password in the second box. After you write down your username and password, make sure to check it. You can click on this button over here to check your password. You can also click remember me, and the final step is to click login. This way you can successfully log into your HCM Payroll account. Let me show it to you once again. Search for HCM Payroll login, click on the first link which appears, and it will take you to the official login portal of iSolved. If you scroll a bit down, you can see the Human Capital Management PCS HR Support Center. Go ahead and click login, and then it will take you to this page. This is the official login portal of Human Capital Management, also known as HCM, and then you can write down your username, your password, hit the login button, and then you can log into your HCM Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.